Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install an electric shower. And this is a new build house, and here we are, electric shower, and I'm just going to run over all the intricacies of it. So this is rated, if you look inside there's a label, I think this is a 10.5 kilowatt shower, and the cable that's installed is a 10mm twin and earth cable. And the reason you install that is because there's a few factors you have to take into account. So you have to take into account the run of cable from the shower to the fuse board, and also how much is being drawn from the electric shower itself. And that's 10.5 kilowatts. So what you do with that, you divide it by the voltage. So it's normally 230. So if I just get my trusty phone, right, so I'll show you typing it. So you put 10,500, which is the watts, so it's 10.5 kilowatts, divided by 230 equals 45 amps. So a 10mm cable, 53 amps. So the breaker is going to be 40 amps, so that should be fine. So the cable can handle it, the breaker can handle it, and the shower can handle it. So the main thing about a breaker is protecting the cable. That's its first, most foremost job. So as long as the cable's protected and the breaker will trip before the cable gets damaged by heat or basically having too much drawn off it, that's the main thing. So this is where the isolator is going to be, slightly out of the way but still accessible. And so that's the shower, and that'll be the fan isolator, which is going over there. So this is a fuse board, and this one is the shower, labelled up shower. So it's on a 40 amp breaker. Well, it's an RCBO, so it's protected. Cable runs all the way from the isolator to here, and then obviously from the isolator it goes onto the shower. And I'm just going to run through showing you how it's connected and making sure you sleeve the cable and everything like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make it all off. So it's now stripped and connected. So yeah, strip it back to there, strip the earth, and because it's multi-stranded, I just twist it a bit more and then I can get the sleeving on. And then obviously blue neutral goes into blue neutral connected. And then live brown goes into block connector, live brown. What I do when I strip it, I just try and make sure I don't dig into any of the copper, because it obviously damages the copper and can become brittle because it's stranded as well. And there you go. So this side's done. Obviously I haven't tested it yet. What I'll do is I'll sort out the isolator. So I'll connect the isolator, I'll do my dead tests, and then I can power it up and get some readings off that and make sure everything's okay.